Today in the Quadratec Academy, we're going to show you how to remove these bumper to fender filler panel European styled fender extension bumper end caps. Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're showing you how to remove the European styled bumper to fender filler panels from the front of your 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL Sport and Sport S model. Now, we think that the engineers at Jeep were tasked with improving the fuel mileage of the new Wrangler, and these probably help with the aerodynamics on the front of your Jeep here. But frankly, we think they just look bad and we want to get them out of there. So today we're showing you how to remove these panels along with the lower air dam. And the easiest way to do that is by simply removing the entire bumper and working on it on a table. That will give you the easiest access to all the different screws and clips that you need on the backside of the bumper. But you don't have to do it. You can leave the bumper installed on the Wrangler and still remove these filler panels, and we're going to show you how. Now, we've got our Jeep up on a lift here just to give us a little bit better access to show you the clips and the screws that you need to access, and we've removed our wheels and tires, but you don't have to even do that. You can do this sitting in your driveway by simply turning the wheels to one side or the other to give you the access that you need. Now, you're going to need a couple hand tools to get this job done: a 7mm socket, an 8mm socket, a socket wrench, a panel tool, or a flathead screwdriver, and a T25 Torx Driver. Now, you'll use the panel tool or the flathead screwdriver to go ahead and remove 8 clips along the bottom edge of the bumper here to start getting that air dam out of the way. So now that we got those 8 clips out of the way, you want to go ahead and grab your 8mm socket and socket wrench, and we've got 2 bolts on the bottom of the air dam. Once we remove those, we can pull the air dam right out of the way. So now that we have that lower air dam removed, we can access all the fasteners on the back side of the panel here, and we need to go ahead and grab that 7mm socket and start by removing this one screw here. Now we can grab our Torx driver and remove 6 Torx screws around the edge of the panel. And once you get that last Torx screw out of the way, simply go ahead and pull the panel right out of the way. You can go ahead and hang on to these for later, or like us, I'm just going to go ahead and throw that right in the trash because I think that this looks way better than with the panels actually installed. Now, of course, we've got to go on to the passenger side and remove that panel as well, and then go ahead and reinstall our lower air dam. Of course, if you like the way that looks better, you can leave that off as well. Now, if you guys have any comments or questions about removing those bumper to fender filler panels on your 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, you can leave those for us below. And hey, if you know what these things are actually called, I'd love to hear that as well. Now make sure you guys hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest Quadratec Academy videos, as well as everything related to the new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail or right here in the classroom.
Yes! I think I got it. I mean, are you okay?
Yeah.